Ayan.
Galing ako dito.
Ako may entrada tayo.
Entrada kami, entrada.
Baka gusto mag-doorbell.
Ano na?
Oh, pasok.
Ngayon ka lang.
Why you come here, Tata? The time that we need you. We're waiting for you here. Your heart is not full. Oh my God.
Ay, wakusik.
Oh, tuloy.
Alright.
Sana'y malaman mo.
How I wish that you know
Darating ka.
that you will come here in the house. In my life.
Kaya ko.
I've been waiting for how many years?
Ikaw sana.
You are the one that I'm waiting for. You are the one I have.
Ang iyong kamay
Your hand.
ay ang aking hawak.
He's holding hands. It's not for him. It's not for her.
Saka nanapa ako kayo.
Why you cannot come here?
Sa buhay ko.
In my life of this world. I'm fully open my heart. It's been so close.
Ikaw ba
You are the one
harapan sa akin?
to go inside my life.
Sabay
And you are the one
Kulang
I will forget.
Nais kong malaman.
I want you to know.
Ngayon
It's too late.
Dumating
In my life.
Ito pa. Ikaw sana.
You are the one I'm longing for. I make hugging on you. Your arms I keep holding.
My hands folding.
And it's not here.
Bakit ngayon?
Why you are not come here? You come in my bed. I open my heart. And I close it.
Close and open.
You are the right guy in my life.
Dapat ko na
Don't I will forget you.
nais kong malaman.
That you think all you know is Gilbert is waiting.
Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Why you are not come here?
Sa buhay ko.
But you come into my life. Huwag mo tingnan siya. Yung ano ko eh, kasi hindi ka niya pagkanta. Pagkatapos ko muna, para hindi ako magkala.
Sige, klaro yung
Sige, ulit. Bakit?